Okay. Should we start it?
It's already started.
All right.
Ready for the box, dear sir. There's a box, there's a box, there's a box, box.
Okay, so we've tried to do this video once. Unfortunately, we had camera difficulties. Our camera crew was still learning the device.
The camera crew forgot to press that button. Red
Yes,
button.
yes.
One job, one job.
Okay. Thanks for coming to my channel, Master of the Miscellaneous. I decided today to do a hot sauce unboxing. Unfortunately, as I say, it's already been done once, so everything's back in the box, but it's not exactly an unboxing, but hopefully it'll be still entertaining.
And this time, no packing peanuts.
Yeah. Thankfully, we don't need the knife this time because it's already cut open.
See, that's a plus.
Yep.
No fighting babies with the knife.
And there's still one baby, but we don't have to fight about the knife at least.
Nah, he's playing with a slinky.
So these are randomly set up again so that it's not predictable. We got the first one here.
And the first one is an angry goat. See the goat
Sadly
face?
enough, this is the first one we did the first time too.
Yes. Blueberry tequila pepper spread. Dun dun dun.
I think it's more of a jam than the rest of these is, but
Let's go to the description. At Angry Goat Pepper Co., we make all of our products in a small handcrafted batches in Vermont. Looks like they went to the mountains. Our blueberry tequila pepper spread combines ripened blueberries with real tequila, cinnamon, and a savory pepper blend to create something special. It says to try our blueberry tequila pepper spread as a glaze on beef, or try it as a cheesecake filling with some fresh blueberries. Our favorite way to use it.
I'm going to try it with peanut butter on a sandwich and see how that tastes.
Peanut butter sandwich.
Yeah. Peanut butter and pepper spread sandwich.
There you go, there's the bottle.
Okay.
Next bottle.
Grab one of the big ones.
Whatever could it be?
That looks like it's possibly one of the barbecue sauces.
It's a Texas one. It says Texas. Mikey V's Red Raspberry Reaper Barbecue Sauce. It says hot. Okay, Texas style. Enjoy your barbecue sauce on beef, chicken, pork, or anything that makes animal noises. So you can get crazy with it. And refrigerate after opening. It's made with fresh ingredients. Let's see if there's any other cool descriptions. Okay. Red Raspberry Reaper Barbecue Sauce. What happens when you mix renowned barbecue pitmasters and an award-winning sauce maker? You get world champion Texas-style barbecue sauce. Mikey V's Hall of Flame Raspberry Reaper Barbecue Sauce is bold sauce with a hint of raspberries that is sure to please the palates of all barbecue lovers. Be sure to check out our other flavors, and thank you for supporting our local Austin-based business.
Very nice.
Austin, Texas, best place to go. In my opinion.
Alright, we've got 8 more coming, so.
Okie dokie. J.Lee Sweet Heat Barbecue, the taste of Mississippi, put it on anything. Gluten-free, no high fructose corn syrup, which is an awesome thing. No MSG.
Okay,
Refrigeration's not required.
I think it's the only one here that doesn't require the refrigeration, honestly. Ow.
No other description, but it's in a nice bottle. Pass the bottle.
This
The baby
one-
just gets you with...
Yeah, he's whipping me with a wet slinky.
Crazy little baby. This one, what would you do with it?
Oh, that one I think is one of the lighter sauces, like not as hot. So I probably do hot dogs with that one.
Okay, this one is the Bravado Spice Co. Ghost Pepper and Blueberry Hot Sauce. It has 4 out of 5 peppers.
Yeah, that one's gonna be hot.
100% vegan. Okay, that's a nice
Very
thing.
Nice.
Gluten-free. Okay, nutrition facts, very funny. Hey, you've got all zeros. Dun dun dun, except for sodium.
Well,
Well, almost got it all right, huh?
can't win them all.
30 milligrams.
No descriptions.
Oh, that is undeniably bold. Dive into the deep end with fiery ghost peppers, cracked black pepper, and delicious blueberries. It's time to step up your hot sauce game. Not bad. Ingredients: blueberry, white wine vinegar, ghost pepper, sea salt, and black pepper.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one.
I like how they make the little pictures. It's got pictures with pictures. Okay. The next sauce out of this box. More bubble wrap.
Yes, that is one awesome thing about the Pucker Butt Company. They wrap all of their sauces with bubble wrap and then put peanuts around them. So you're guaranteed your bottles aren't going to be smashed.
By George, this big bottle, could it be another Texas style? Maybe. Let's hope.
I think so. I think that's the cherry one.
Yep. See, there's my favorite home state, Texas. What happens when you mix renowned... Well, as we know, this whole thing.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think it's the exact same statement except for the bit where it describes the sauce itself.
Yeah, it says, plain cherry barbecue sauce is a bold sauce with a hint of cherries. Somehow I doubt that. That it's sure to please the palates of all barbecue lovers. Gotta love this Austin business.
And that one I don't think is a hot one. So.
Mikey V's Hall of Flame, Texas style, cherry. Aha! Enjoy your barbecue sauce on beef, chicken, pork, or anything that makes animal noises.
Mm-hmm.
But what do people make animal noises? Some people wonder. Oh well. Cannibalism, remember, ladies and gentlemen, is frowned upon by society, as said by Willy Wonka.
I was doing my best not to bring that up.
Well, it's already out of the box, so how to use it.
This, I believe, is the salsa.
Salsa. Who's got the salsa? Puckerbot's got the salsa, and it says, I dare you, stupid salsa.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think it has much of a description
So,
on it.
the amusing part I just got, truth, dare. This could make a fun game. I dare you to do something stupid. Okay, I dare you to taste this.
And honestly, if I'm not mistaken, I think how do they spell stupid on there?
Stupit.
Yeah.
Which I find amusing. Okay, I don't see anything besides... I think this one you got iron. Nope,
Yeah,
you
one...
got 160 milligrams of sodium, 2 carbs, iron, and potassium. You get potassium in this one.
That one I think is a rather hot salsa. Does it have the
No, it
pepper
doesn't.
on that one? No.
It has the Puckerbutt logo on it, but it doesn't say exactly what it would be.
That's upsetting.
Well, I guess that one is a mystery. So yes, dare you to do something stupid. Try it. And rate it.
Oh, one of the small bottles. Voodoo?
Okay, this one has a honeybee.
Ah.
Honey Bonnet. Hot sauce. Pucker. See, I like the pucker butt. Let's see, do you?
Another one that unfortunately I don't think had a description. Unfortunately, Pucker Butt doesn't seem to have very verbose descriptions. They tend to use the ingredients list as their description.
No. Yeah, this one only has peppers, vinegar, honey, and cinnamon. Not bad. But no list of hotness.
Oh, that's upsetting. Well, next time somebody has, a throat problem and they want to use honey, I'll pull that bottle out.
Yeah, throat problem. Always tends to be someone in the house.
Okay, another little one.
This one, I believe, has Voodoo Prince Death Mamba Pucker Butt Hot Sauce. Heat indication is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 peppers, and it says smoking hot. A dark and sinister cocktail of spices and vicious peppers, 5 hottest spice you that will sneak up on you in the tall grass and bite your tail. Then you'll start dancing and praying. Yeah, praying probably for it to stop.
That one's gonna be
Then it goes for the Pucker Butt Pepper Company's goal to provide the customers with the healthiest and best tasting pepper products available. So we got to thank them for that, and their founder of Ed Curie.
If I'm not mistaken, this is supposed to be one of the
Gluten-free, no peanuts, and non-GMOs.
I think that one is supposed to be one of the darker tastes, like smokier type flavors. So we'll have to see in the next video where we do a tasting.
Tasting how many people run to the bathroom because of the hotness.
Oh, and we got a truck backing up, apparently. The little one playing with the toy trucks.
He's like, I like the truck. Alright, the next one. Little, here we go. Bravado Spice Co. Pineapple and Habanero. Which is a medium hot sauce. 3 peppers out of 5. 100% vegan. Vegan lovers need a hot sauce? Here you go. Gluten-free. Undeniably bold, a blend of delicious pineapple and fiery habanero. This sweet and spicy sauce is the ultimate crowd pleaser. Sometimes nature hands you an ace in the hole. Or other things. Ingredients: pineapple, white wine vinegar, yellow bell pepper, habanero, garlic, and sea salt. And look at all the pictures.
I'm definitely looking forward to that one. After Wingstop and Domino's had the habanero mango, I found this and... Oh.
At least this time, you'll be for sure to have sauce with your wings.
Yeah.
As we learned last time, sometimes they don't like to give up the sauces. And this one has sodium of 20 milligrams. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. 0 calories. Mm-hmm. People counting your calories. Take a hint. Here you go.
Hot sauce tends to be low on calories, thankfully. Alright, and the last bottle.
The last bottle. Dun, dun, dun.
I love the look of this one. It looks like a flask.
Or a whiskey bottle.
Jack Daniel, yeah. That's what I was just thinking. Jack Daniel's 5th bottles.
This flask is a truth serum. The truth hurts. Well, I bet it does. Plum LoCo Chipotle plum sauce. It has a medium rating. Hot, medium, mild.
You just got attacked by the box, Jason.
A unique small batch hot sauce made with quality ingredients. Truth serum. Plum LoCo is an intriguing juxtaposition of... Huh?
Juxtaposition?
Yes. I got a stinky baby. Of sweet, tangy, very hard to read.
1 second.
Plum and smoky Mako Chipotle used on everything from chicken salad to French toast. Part of me wonders about the French toast bit.
Yes.
Ingredients: plum puree, cane sugar, water, chipotle powder.
I read that French toast bit and I was like, I have to get this.
Tapioca.
Here. Come on. Look.
Tapioca starch, lemon, and juice concentrate.
There you go.
All natural? Oh, really? Why do you have concentrate if you're natural? Oh, well. Refrigerate after opening.
Concentrate is still natural if it's done the right way.
It's still amusing.
All you do is boil it down and it concentrates.
So, as we know from the salsa thing before, the dare you to do it, here's the truth part. Truth dare, anybody?
Alright. And that concludes this video, and I'll have links for the various sauces down below, as well as a link to the Puckerbutt website that all of these sauces were purchased through. And look forward to the next video where I do taste testing from whoever's brave enough to taste in the house. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.